having created my tags, in terms of what I'm actually showing, I'm just saving it. You know, Clicking on this, I can see, what my tag headings are, what we're, what tags we're putting them in. If I go back to my tag list, we go back to our tree, clicking under, say that, we can start to see the products that we've allocated to these scenarios. So, our day to night and whatever. So when we integrate it back into Shopify, we're going to see these products straight away. So that's an introduction to tags in the application platform.